Hello and welcome to this series. So what we have learned in previous videos, I am going to implement each and everything in just 2 minutes. So let's get started. So now I am in Django directory. I am going to create my Django project, start project third. So this is my project. I am going to enter in this project and write it as python manage.py start app, name as third app. So I am going to write a python manage.py run server. So now everything is set up. I am going to copy this host and copy and paste. So now everything is working fine. So now I open my app, my project in the Sublime Text. So what I need to do is first I need to register my application in this thing, third app. So now everything is set up, third app is correct. Hit save and write income this URL, write include and write path dash name, write the include and hit what is my app name, third app dot urls. Hit save, and in this app you need to create one file named as url. So write urls.py. From write the you need to import something, django.urls import path, right? You can check path. Okay, so url patterns is equal to this thing and write as a path, write path bracket. First I need to import the views from current directory, views, import everything. So we need to create, so now everything is set up so we need to create my views. I will going to do the same thing what I have done in my previous video. So define my home is my method request and write the names of things, apple, banana and grapes. Okay, so write the dictionary dicks, so here I am going to write the fruits as my key, fruit, fruits is my key and names is my value. So return, I need to return this to render round trip, render to first I need to pass the request, then to the HTML which name is index.html. I will create that index.html in just a moment, wait. So dicks, hit save, and in here I need to pass home. So here home is my method. What I have said to you, you can directly write it as the home name. I will tell these things in a later project. So I will create one templates, and here I will create my index.html file. It is index.html, yes, index.html. Hit save, index.html. okay, so write HTML, it will automatically autocomplete, and write h1, it will give here are my fruits, and you need to write in a Jinja templating, you need to create one loop for name, and it is not specified that you always write a n. I will write is at ABC. Okay, so what is my ID here in views? Where is my views? Where is my, what is my ID? ID is my fruits. So write fruits, fruits. You need to close this and 4 and write A B C B R. So we can say hi this thing. So now everything is set up. Now I will going to fire this thing. Okay, what is this? Okay, run server. Now everything is completely fine. So okay, name error, name is not defined. So what is not defined? I need to check name. What name is not defined. It's a very syntax error. Hit save, and okay, it is loaded. So now there we go, we have created this app in just 6 minutes. I promised you too that I will create this app in 3 minutes. I'm really sorry. So the motive of this video, I will going to tell you about the models. So model is going to handle all the things what about we want to create the database. So you need to write a class, any of the name what you want to write. I will write bag, 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 and I will pass the models, and it will import the values of model. So you need to write the what is the name of the bag. You will say models dot char set char field max length would be 30, and the size you want to insert as a integer. So you write models integer field. Okay, now everything is great. So now you have created this model, so hit save. So now everything is set up. What you need to do is, now you need to register this table in the admin section. It is admin section is not here, admin section is here. So what you will directly say, it is saying register your model here. And what is our model is our bag, right? So what we are going to do is, first we are going to import from dot models current directory dot models. Current directory dot means current directory, and models import star, because I don't know in future how many models I am going to create. So it is directly write is as star. So write admin dot site dot register. Here you need to pass that model name is bag, BAG, B is capital, BAG, bag. So hit save. So now everything is set up and it is loaded. So now what you need to do is, you need to do the migrations. It is saying as you have 18 migration, but it is not like that. You have created the model, that is the way it is appearing it as, right? So you need to close the server and write python manage .py make migrations. So now it will create the migrations. So now where are my migrations are here. So what it has done is, this command is what done is, this make migration command create the model structure, because Django itself is a ORM, object relational mapping, because Python is a object oriented language. So it will insert all the things in an object format. So what we have done is, first we set to the Django, like first make migrations means please make the model that Django will make the SQL command and create some SQL command and write it into the database, right? And if I pass migrate, it will allow the Django to write everything on that framework, and everything is done here. So now you need to run the server again. You have run this server. So now this server is loaded. Copy and right here, paste. But nothing is appearing. Why? Because we have gave the permissions to the admin. We need to go into the admin section. Where is our admin section? Admin section is here. So now admin site, I will going to move into the admin site. So write /admin. So now you can say it as this thing, appear it as this. So what is our username? Laptop password or laptop username? Of course not, or password. So now you need to close this server again and write python manage.py create super user, CREATE, create super user. Make sure the spelling is always same. Again, I told you there are some of the keywords that will create, that runs on a background, because it itself are some of the files that is running on a background. So now it is saying is that the now use the Anshul Singh Suryan. Username is this. So now I will say AA is my username, and password is AA, and password is AA. And so now this thing is created. So what we will going to do is I am going to again run the server. So copy and paste it here. So now everything is done. So I'm going to enter as a admin AA. So now hit enter. So now you can directly see bags is my one of the models. So I need to add one laptop bag. So now size is 3 is my size. So now everything is done here, and bag object. So now our next task is we want to know what this object name is here. Not we first click on that thing and then we get to know. So now everything is saved. I need to write one mobile bag, and size is 4. Hit save. So now you can directly see it is a bag object and object 1 and 2. So now what we're going to do is we will come into the model section and write one function, define str self return self dot name. So everything is okay. Hit enter. So now you can directly say it is a mobile bag or a laptop bag. So if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.